He never believed in theatre. He laughed at all my dreams. And little by little, I stopped believing in them too. And all that stress, jealousy, constant fear for the baby. You don't know what that's like to realize you're a terrible actor. I'm the seagull. A man comes along, destroys her life because he has nothing else to do. A subject for a short story. What was I saying? A theatre. I'm not like this anymore. I'm a real actress now. I enjoy acting. When I'm on stage, it intoxicates me. I feel beautiful. And now I know that in our occupation, it's not about being famous. It's not about sound of applause. It's about strength. It's about strength to keep on going. And believe. I believe and it helps.